Oyawre nyakorom gajwange numara en odiochieng' mari ochakore e yo makare machiegni ahinya. Chenro en siwinde mar ohala kaka kawuono nyakorom gajwang'. Ohala marwa mwadhi twakie kawuono en ohala no mar duso alwora kata landscaping. Mano en ohala mabende itimo gi jogo mano ni alwora mawantiere bed pacho kata mana apise opogore opogore kuonde ma ji odake kata kuonde mag ohala obedo gi sura makare. Wadhi bedo ka okinyi makawuono gi Millicent Olali ma en ja ohala, Jeff Adede achiel kachiel koa e kaunti wa Kisumu, Yona Abich kachiel gi Ebel Okeo giduto gintiere ohala ni nyakorom gajwang' mar duso alwora. Wadhi ng'iyo ni to ginto gin okenge mage magineno magitimo mano ni ohala ni otimore yo makare to pono ni gintiere go dwaro nyane sirikal kata piny owacho ang'ne ginyiswa ni to bedo nade. Bende ang' wabed kod thuolo mar winjo achiel kachiel koa e kauntis mopogore opogore mondo wawinjie kuom jopiny kaachiel gi jo ohala ni e kauntis go nyakorom gajwang' mana kaka pile go kodwa mbaka lai en 236 nono wantie live e Facebook Ramogi TV ke imbui mar X kaachiel gi Ramogi TV Kenya mbui mar YouTube. Machiegni Nyingalidia Okeo achao kod weche manyien kama jatend piny Kenya William Ruto otelone nyasi mar dhialo odiochieng' mar katiba e KICC bure Nairobi. Roma kamano kelo kanyakla jodito e sectors mopogore opogore e hingo higni 16 nyaka ne pend chik chak tiyo. Kabende nyasi makamano dhi nyime kendo jombetre mopogore opogore oyuore. Wawinjie kaka nyasi no dhi mbele nyakorom gajwang' sani jatend piny Kenya Kithure Kindiki e masani wuoyo wawinjie anena nito wachona.
Of certain values, national values and principles of our governance. Article 10, read together with Article 232 of the Constitution, provides the software of our nation. And the question is, to what extent have we been patriotic? To what extent have we advanced the rule of law, human rights, democracy, environmental sustainability, accountability, the values of the public service in Article 232, etc., etc. And I think on a day like this one, we will be listening to one another to find out what journey we have covered and where the gaps are so that we can perfect our nation's software as we also strengthen its hardware. Finally, Your Excellency, on a day like this one, I and perhaps a few others in this room are curious to reflect on the 16 years that we have taken to advance the requirements of the two legs on which our country and our democracy is founded. These two legs are found in the Bill of Rights, but they are also scattered everywhere else, including the preamble. The first limb is the limb of democracy and the need to advance a nation founded on human dignity and human rights and democratic ideals. But there is a second limb, Your Excellency. And this is the limb that you invited us to begin a conversation on as we look towards a Kenya beyond 2030. And this is the limb of prosperity. I dare say, Your Excellency, before I invite you, that as you reminded us when you were launching this conversation, that the aspiration of our constitutional order is very much about democracy, but it's also very much about creating wealth for the citizens of Kenya, empowering the citizens, and realizing the aspects of the Bill of Rights that give dignity and empowerment to the citizen, creating a wealthy, healthy Kenya, rights that have been ignored for some time now around decent housing, their right to health, the right to access the things that make life convenient and comfortable. And I dare say, Africa, Kenya, the developing world must not shy away from pursuing wealth and talking about wealth creation as much as we advance democracy. And therefore, mine, Your Excellency, is to listen to you and to the many other people that I see gathered here. I see the fathers of our Constitution present here. I see the children of our Constitution right here. And because we have a long...
Manyan toak madhimbele nyakoram gajuanga ngwalu nigo heyo makare.